Shout out to Guyker for sending these through to review. I appreciate that, and just keep that in mind though during this interview, because I know I'm going to say it's not a biased review. Obviously, like I personally think I'm being very fair and honest, but like when a company does send you something out for free to try or something, that like subconsciously there might be a bit of bias there or something. So just keep that in mind. But first off, I think these tuners look great. Like I really like the look of them. They're modern, sleek. They're not like too futuristic though. Like they just, I don't know. It's weird. I really like them. Like I think it appeals a bit to my OCD how they're all lined up. I think that's definitely one pro of them. Is the look of them. They're just the fact that they're lined up like that. Yeah. Another pro, easy to install. Like these ones are the Guyker Guyker 411SP tuning machines, and they're specifically for Fender guitars. So if your Fender guitar uses a tuner like this, see how it has the two nibs there? These tuners are just going to drop in like easily. You don't have to, screw any holes, make any adjustments, like whatever. They're just going to drop in, tighten up that nut, super easy. So I'll go through some pros and cons. Obviously, like, yeah, the first pro is the looks of them. I think they look great. Yeah, it's just, if you're into this sort of look, like, yeah, it's just very cool. I'll show you the back of them as well. Another pro, the locking mechanism works perfectly fine, perfectly as well as like other locking mechanisms I've had on locking tuners. Yeah, very easy, very good. All smooth parts, like everything's smooth. Also the price, like they're not too expensive. I think the price on the website now is $59.99, and if you check the description below, I'll have a coupon code there. So I guess I have like an affiliate link or whatever. And I will make a bit of commission from that if you do purchase any like items from their website using that link below or using the coupon code. So yeah, I'd appreciate that if you were thinking about purchasing anything from Guyker, if you did use that code, I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, right now they're $59.99, and that's like the full price. I think you get like, yeah, you'll be able to like get a discount on that as well. And yeah, they offer free shipping over orders over $59. So yeah, these will, well, I guess with the, I don't know if that includes the, I don't think that'll include the coupon code though. So you'll probably $59.99 plus if you get a coupon on that. You might have to buy something extra if you want free shipping. But yeah, keep that in mind. So yeah, these are 18:1 gear ratio. They're very smooth to move, very easy to use. I will say, so that comes to one negative. If you're someone who, when you put your strings on, you restring your guitar and you want to use the, like a tuning peg winder, obviously that's not going to work on these style of tuners. As you can see, like it's just not going to fit on there. And then another negative, if like, I don't think this is really an issue wouldn't be an issue for most people, but maybe there are some people out there that have sensitive fingers or like their hands aren't quite strong enough. It can be a bit more difficult to grip these and tune them compared to just your normal regular tuning pegs. To me, it's no issue. Like I think it's perfectly fine, but like I think that is something worth mentioning. Like some people might not like that, especially if you have like a string that's like quite got a lot of tension and you're just trying to tune up. I could imagine some people would be like, like it's not as easy to move as a normal tuning peg. So that is one thing to keep in mind as well. But other than that, I can't really think of any other negatives. They hold tune just like any other like I think there's a lot of people out there that are like, oh, the tuners, like if I get better tuners, my guitar's gonna hold tune better. And in some cases that can be the case. Like if you have tuning pegs that are really like just average and they slip, the strings are slipping, or for whatever reason they're just moving, like yeah, of course, like yeah, you're gonna notice a improvement in tuning stability. But a lot of people's tuning issues, in my opinion, come from either a poorly cut nut or their bridge saddles, however they got it set up. So that is one thing to keep in mind as well. Like if for some reason your guitar's not staying in tune, like consider other options as well than just tuning pegs, because sometimes like it's not the tuners, like it's other parts of your guitar. And I know, but people instantly think like, oh, it's a tuning pegs, like, because it's going out of tune. But like, yeah, there's definitely other reasons that your guitar can be going out of tune. But if you are looking to upgrade your tuners for a Fender specific guitar, or if you go through their website, guyker.com, you'll see they have a bunch of different options, like different hardware, pickup, stuff like that. But their tuning pegs in particular, I think there's like a series called the Dopamine series. They have some really cool colors. But I specifically went for these because I just loved the way they all line up. It just looks really neat and tidy. I don't know, I think I'm thinking of getting a Fender Subsonic baritone neck. I think it's 27-inch. And I'm assuming they're going to take these sort of Fender style tuners. So if they do, like, I'll definitely be getting, well, I might just move these tuners over to that neck if I do, because I'm thinking about possibly putting in a humbucker here, or maybe like a hot rail sort of pickup, putting on a 27-inch neck. Like, yeah, it's a really cool guitar. It's a mix between a Strat Tele. It's like limited edition, but I think it would be really cool to just put a 27-inch baritone neck on it, tune it low, and yeah, I just think it'd be a real unique guitar. Anyway, let me know what you think of this video below. If you've ever used any Guyker products, maybe down below, comment what you thought about them, how they held up, what you think of the quality. Because, like, yeah, as I said, these did get sent to me, and I am getting them for free for this, to do a review about them. So just keep that in mind. But, like, once again, me personally, like, putting any bias aside, I really like these. Just the look of them, you know, like, I just think they look good. Like, yeah. Anyway, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll have more videos coming out soon. Thanks again to Guyker. So check out Guyker.com. Got affiliate codes down below for a discount. And yeah, have a good day.